Hello friends, hello everyone, how are you all? So as you can see in the thumbnail that what topic we are going to discuss, we are going to talk about the why Ganesha have an elephant like head. So most of my friends who are living outside of India, they used to ask me why Ganesha head is elephant head. And some people ask me, do you worship elephant? And they used to ask me so many similar questions like that. So my this article is specially dedicated to those people who keen to know the real story behind this. So let's start. Lord Shiva was living in the Kailash Parvat mountain with his family, wife and children, and devotee. So generally Shiva was spending most of his time on the mountain for his meditation. So Gauri Parvati, she was the wife of Lord Shiva. So she given birth to a child named Ganesh in the absence of Lord Shiva. Means on that time Shiva was not at the Kailash when she given birth to Ganesh. So Shiva have no idea that he have a child like Ganesh. So once upon a time goddess Parvati was preparing for the bath. So while she told to her child Ganesh to keep guard on the door. So Ganesh was respecting his mother. He also said that okay mother, you go, I will not allow anyone to come inside. So everything was just going good, and now Shiva returned to Kailash, his home. When he returned, he was stopped by Ganesh. Ganesh did not allow Shiva to come inside the house. Shiva tried to pursue the little boy Ganesh. He said that this is my house and they're inside my family. Let me go inside. But Ganesh said that no, I will not allow you to come inside. He refused to allow Shiva to come inside. Finally, Shiva understood that this is not an ordinary boy. With the conversation, nothing is going to happen. He understand, and he became too much angry. He lost his patience, and he used his weapon Trishul, and he cut the neck of little Ganesha. When Parvati returned from the bath, she saw Ganesha's beheaded body was laying on the ground. And she was so enraged and insulted that she decided to destroy the whole creation. At her call, she summoned all of his ferocious multi-armed force, and the Yoginis arose from his body. The Lord Shiva discussed with the Brahma. Brahma is the creator of life. So when Parvati was going to destroy the whole creation, then it was a big tension for Lord Brahma because he have created all of this. So he also become tensed. And then Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma, they both came together and they said to Gauri Parvati that please calm down. We will try to give him life back. Then she became calm and she said, okay, you do. Then Brahma and Shiva, they ordered to their devotee and Nandi, they told him that you go in east direction and search any creature who is lying dead with his head facing north direction. So their devotee went for the search and they found an elephant with all same conditions what was ordered by the Brahma and Shiva. So they brought the head of elephant. Okay. Then Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva placed the elephant head onto Ganesha body. And then Brahma gave him a new life. So as Lord Shiva also impressed with the bravery of Lord Ganesha, he given so many divine power to Ganesha. And after that, Ganesha is being worshipped by all human. We call to Ganesha, Ganpati, Gajanan, Ganesh. All these names are the synonyms of elephant in the ancient language Sanskrit, which is still in the use in India somewhere. Okay. So in Sanskrit we call Gajanan to elephant. So same name got the Ganesha. So this is the real story about that why Ganesh have the body like elephant. Okay. Now if you have any other question, you can write down in the comment box. Definitely I will reply you, and if possible, if too much things are there, I will make another video. And please subscribe my channel, so if you subscribe it, so we get some more power and we make some more videos. So okay, thank you. I hope you understand.